Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to teach you guys about the ranging market. So, when identifying a ranging market is a kind of market I would advise every new traders to stay out of it, especially the newbies and those who don't trade structures. Okay, a ranging market is a trending market in a rectangular form, whereas the buyers and sellers has no sale in the market. Just like this, a high, a low, a high, a low, a higher high, maybe a lower low, a higher high, a lower low, then maybe another higher high. It's just ranging like this. So this is a range market, and in these points in the market, definitely someone is going to win. You get me? Definitely someone is going to win. Sometimes the buyers might be the one in profit, sellers might take control, but it's in ranging market. You have no clear what direction. But maybe let's say you understand structure now. You understand structure and you already know that the ranging market is just a manipulation. You already know where the true liquidity is. I won't be talking about that much, but I might use an example on maybe on the trade I took some weeks back. So on this level, on this market, I want to show you a clear example in the chart. I already had my inducements here and had a buy entry right here, and my stop loss was around here. I'm just looking for a 4 hour, not too much. So in this part of the market, before this whole scenario played out, this price action was moving inwards. Let me just use from this level. After this break, we have a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low. You see, it's just moving in a what rectangular form, which no clear way buyers in the market. But when you understand your liquidity, you already knew where the liquidity would be taken. I place my entry right here, my stop loss right here, and my TP around here. So I avoid all this. And I think this happened for a week from Monday before executing from last week from Friday to the new week Monday before getting executed on Wednesday towards the New York section. You get me? So a ranging market is a market where most support and resistance traders do maybe look for entries where now I won't say that, I'm sorry. It's just a trend market whereby the buyers and sellers are not in control in the market. You get me? So that's that on the range market. We'll be looking forward to, I think, talking about liquidity next on the market. Yeah, I think so. So I'll bring up the new topic on my next video and we'll elaborate deep on how structure work. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends.